Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This one is 2 Ridgebury in Simsbury, Connecticut. It is nestled at the base of Simsbury Mountain, right across from the Pick and Patch on the Avon town line. This wonderful property is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath colonial style home. It's got a great open floor plan here, as you can see. Look at this nice cozy family room here that's adjacent to the nice open floor plan between the kitchen. It's got 18-foot high cathedral ceilings with all recessed lighting, surround sound, a great propane fireplace back there as well. In the kitchen, you'll find a great center island, granite countertops. You've got newer stainless appliances and beautiful French doors out to the private deck. This is all nestled on 1.38 pastoral acres here. Downstairs, there's also an additional almost 1,400 square feet finished in the partially finished lower level. It's got a wet bar, walkout basement to a nice private yard. There's tons of space for exercise equipment, media room. There's even an additional full bath downstairs. Upstairs in the master suite, you'll find 2 great walk-in closets, a beautiful bath with all the wonderful soaking tub, the double vanities, you name it, travertine tile, marble countertops, they're all there. There's a first floor office with custom built-ins, a great 2-story foyer, and a first floor laundry too. This one is not gonna last long. It's super convenient yet tucked away. Beautiful, beautiful setting. Nothing to do but unpack your bags and move in. You better give us a call before you miss your chance. 860-325-2484 or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.